How to fix iPhone lagging issue. Let's get started. Launch your settings. Now scroll down, head towards the option of battery. Once you find it, open it. Now make sure you have toggle off for the option of low power mode. Once you check this, head back. Now you have to first quit all the running apps. Just swipe up in this way and then close all the running apps. This will help your iPhone to run smoothly. Likewise, another thing you have to do is open your settings. Scroll down. Head towards the option of Safari. Once you find it, open it. Now scroll down. Click on this option Clear History and Website Data. Check in for the option of All History. Toggle on for the option of Close All Tabs. Click on Clear History. Likewise, heading towards Next Solution, head back. Scroll all the way up. Now open this option of General. Head towards the option of Background App Refresh. Go to this option Background App Refresh, open it. Now set it to off. Now head back. Go to the main page of settings. Scroll down. Head towards the option App Store. Once you find it, open it. Now toggle off for the option of App Updates. Likewise, head back. Scroll up. Open this option General. Head towards the option of iPhone Storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps or offload it. All you have to do is open it. Click on the option of Offload App or Delete App. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix iPhone lagging issue. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.